Connecting the unconnected, the Starlink vision. Imagine a world where quality internet connectivity is no longer a luxury, but a global standard. Welcome to SpaceX's Starlink vision. Starlink satellites, orbiting the Earth, aim to provide high-speed internet to every corner of our planet, bridging the digital divide. Unlike traditional satellites, Starlink operates in low Earth orbit. This ensures faster speed, lower latency, and stronger connections. The implications are far-reaching. Remote education, telemedicine, global business, all powered by Starlink, are set to become the norm, not the exception. But Starlink isn't just about the Earth. It's a stepping stone for Mars colonization, providing the communications backbone for future interplanetary society. SpaceX's Starlink satellites, poised to revolutionize mobile connectivity. Join us in reshaping the future of internet access and the human connection.